video, we will learn about how to find and replace a keyword in WordPress database via plugin. If you want to find and replace a keyword in your WordPress database, then in that case, first of all, go to your web browser and then go to the following URL. Now here, download this given plugin into your local PC. After you have downloaded this plugin successfully, now you can log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to Add New Plugin section. Now here, click over Upload Plugin. Now simply upload that downloaded plugin which you have saved earlier. Now click over Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, you can activate the plugin by clicking over Activate Plugin. Now go to Tools and then click over Search and Replace. Now create a backup file. Before proceeding, you can click on Create SQL File. Now in the second tab, that is Search and Replace, from here you can enter the keyword that you want to search and replace with the keyword that you would like to replace with. Select the table in the database and finally click over Search and Replace. In this way, your particular keyword will be searched and replaced in bulk.